This conference will now be recorded.
Let's go to the next one, my dear friends. Okay, next subtopic in this visual reasoning, paper folding, followed by that paper cutting. Paper folding, paper cutting. Okay, so say this in paper folding concept. So they'll give a transparent sheet for us. We should fold it. Okay, as per the instructions, it may be vertical folding or horizontal folding or corners we have to fold. It all depends on the question, my dear friends. So where they'll give a transparent sheet for us. Okay, we have to fold it. It may be vertical or horizontal. Then what will happen after folding? That's what they'll ask. Okay, this is for sure they mention transparent sheet. Okay, transparent sheet is given. We should go ahead. Now see the question directly, my difference. You can understand the things better with the questions. See the first question. Yeah, they given a transparent sheet for us. We have to fold it now vertically. This is like this. You should fold it vertically. Now what will happen when you fold it? This dot should come to this side. This one go to this side. So what will happen? In that entire paper, yes, this is already folded. This is dotted. Okay, here we have dots, two circles. Okay, this one went to this side. Okay, option A. But for example, my dear friends, if I have a question like this, here dot and here dot, here and here dot. Okay, now can you find what is the answer? If you fold it, here this is yes, this shape is already folded. Fine, what will come? Yeah, we can say is it option both dots will overlap here. This is like symmetry. When symmetry case is there, from the middle, okay, wherever you have to fold, from that left side and right side shapes are similar. When it is symmetry, so what on the left side, same shape will occur. If you fold it to left side, if you fold it to right side, whatever shape is the right side, the same thing will come. Okay, so then if this is the case, we have to go with option B. If two dots are like this, you just understand that if you have to fold, sometimes it may be horizontal folding, sometimes it may be vertical folding, sometimes you have to fold in the corner. Fine, what are they given, we'll do according to that. No issues, right? Here, see the second question. So you have to fold. When observe, if there is only one S, if you fold this one, if you fold this one, what will happen? If you fold this one, it will become reverse. Like this, it will just observe. S will not be same S. Okay, it will be like this. So already one more SC is there. It will overlap and it will give 8 for you. Yes, already one SC is available. Now this S will come and it will overlap again here. Okay, like this it will come. I think you know this shape. So that will be put it here. I think we'll get 8 for sure. But if you just imagine, already SC is there. Now if you put this one, we'll get this one not correct, this one not correct. You may have a dilemma about A and B, considering that sir both are same. No, it's not symmetry actually here. This is not symmetry. Okay, not symmetry. If it is symmetry, from that, okay, this is different, this is different. Yes, C is there, okay, but the shape, if you see from left side, right, it's a symmetry property. If you observe, this is not symmetry actually. Whereas now, see this third question, symmetry, right? You have to fold it here. If you just see, this is symmetry. Top and bottom are same. Above this line, below this line, it's same. We can say it's option B, symmetry. So as per symmetry, we have to get option B, my dear friends. Got it? Excellent. See this next question. You are folding transparent sheet. Okay. When you fold, these lines will come here. These lines will come here. It will be like option D. Remaining are not suitable. Okay. So guys, when question is displayed, please pause the video. Okay, try your solutions, try from your end, then you check the key whether it is correct or wrong. That's it. It will be like a practice for you, right? Now, what about this one? One black shade, one white one. Okay, this is obviously wrong. Obviously wrong. That too above one black, below one white. Okay, that's it. Arrow mark. Two different colors are available. You just use it. Perfect. Whereas sixth one, if you observe, seventh one, it's easy. Symmetry. Okay, option C is suitable. Why not this is in the bottom, this is in some height. There is some gap. Here also there is some gap. That's badly required. Here gap is not there. You may argue A also, but position also required, right? Now this one wrong. Among these three you should identify. First for this shape, only this shape if you have, if you fold it, you will get like this. Okay, fine. That's available in all options. Very important thing is line, that line. Okay, what will happen if you fold this line? This line is there. If you fold it, it will come up to here, then it will go in this way. Okay, that's available in option C, not remaining options. One more thing is still there is one more line here that will come in this shape. Fine, you just observe that. Okay, you will get option C is the correct one. Okay, see the eighth one now, my dear friends. Ninth one easy for you because of symmetry. Sir, we can say option B, fine. What about eighth one? Yes, when you fold it, they're folding to left hand, or they can fold it to right side also. They didn't give any direction. They can fold it to left side or right side, but here all options are in the left handed. So when you have multiple answers, you may have a chance to get two different answers to fold it left or right. Same thing if I mention right side, also correct. Here one circle, here one circle. This is also correct actually. As Dean mentioned, which direction you have to do. Fine, it may be option B, and if suppose E is there, this is multiple answers. Because now in some computer exams, you can see that yeah, multiple answers are available. You can go with like this. Fine, perfect, guys. Excellent. See the next one, 10th question. Symmetry. It's very simple. Symmetry applicable. So same shape will come. Okay. In fact, I agree. Right side, if it is there also, it's correct. This is also correct. Okay. What about 11th and 12th now? Easy, right? Paper folding. Good. Now here, this will come here, this will come here. Now it's option D. Whereas here, this circle will come to this place. This dot will come here. This circle will come here. So circle, square, and circle, it's option C. Circle, square, and circle required. That's at least there in option C. Okay, excellent. Now, if you just see about 13 and 14, if you fold it, this should come here. This one will come here. So option D. Check it out, my dear friends. Option D you have to get. The dotted one in same line, that circle one in same line. Whereas here, okay, this is not yet folded. When you fold it, it's option B. If suppose here also if you have circle, this is also correct. If you have a circle in bottom also, that's also correct. Both correct, then there may be a chances. Okay, this will be available only when you have multiple answers. Multi-select questions, multiple answers is available, then you can go ahead with like this. If this dot is there, we can say option C is also correct. Now this is symmetry. Because of symmetry, same shape what are available in above, we can go ahead with that. Symmetry. Whereas this one, this is rectangle, half of that, okay, this line should go to left side. We just observe, yes, this line will come to this side actually. Okay, so definitely we can go with option B. See the next one. Two circles, this will come to this side. That's there only in one. And this all shapes are differed actually. This is symmetry. The shape actually symmetry here. Only thing is that two circles are disturbing. Okay, this is symmetry. This half portion as is we have to get. Whereas this rhombus will go here. The circle will go here. Option D. Rhombus is shifted above. Circle is also shifted. Fine. Yeah, here simple right symmetry. Because of symmetry, we can go with option A. Whereas this one, very crucial is regarding the triangle. For the triangle, if you close here, this triangle as it is there, but this one will come like this. You just observe the shape, that is why option B is correct. Crucial part is played by the triangle, how the triangle is mapped. So this line, okay, you are just folded here, then this will happen. Just have a look. Okay, we have to get like this. Yeah, option B is perfectly suited. Next one is, see, you came to know paper folding, right? Now you have to cut it. Okay, in your childhood, for a lot of functions, we'll do designs, different types of designs. What we have to do, there'll be a paper, you have to fold as per the directions, then cut it, and you should unfold that also. Then finally, which shape you have to get is the answer. See, there are plenty of steps you have to do. As per the question, you have to fold it. In fact, they show how they folded. Important thing is this one you have to do. This all are done in the question itself. They fold it, they'll cut it. Only thing you have to do is unfold. When you unfold, what will come, you have to identify. So guys, this is paper cutting. After cutting, if you unfold that, which shape will occur is the one crucial for us. Okay. Now if you just observe that, yeah. Now we'll discuss four similar questions first of all. Here, they folded in the corners. You got this shape. Now you cut it here. When you open, see this already four circles are there. This is four dots. You cut it there. Now if you open, this dot will come here. This dot will go here. This dot will be here. This dot will be here. Got it? It's second option. You just see when you unfold it. When you unfold the figure B, this one will go to this side, this one will go to this side, this one will go to this side. In center, already that four dots are there. Are okay, you punched four dots. Okay, that four dots will come to that corner when you unfold. Now, one more step extra here. First, okay, you have to go for this corners folding. then you again you fold it horizontally. Now you two punch. Then you open, this will go to this side. This is one more step extra. Similar to previous one only. Here two dots. If you open here first you will get. Then again if you open, already four in the center. This one will go to that corner. This one will go to corner. This one will go to corner. Yes, same to previous question. Same like previous question only. But this is one extra step to add in. Okay, you are folding that corners. Again you fold it horizontally. Next question is also similar one. But one more step extra is fold the corners, fold horizontally, and fold here this to one piece. So now this one will be here. Then if you fold it, open it, okay, this will be here. Then again if you open, it goes to corners. All corners. Perfect, that's it. Okay, this is what my dear friends. So I think again option 2, same logic, right? Okay, now see the next one. So you folded horizontally, then okay, this shape is not available actually. I think that's a mistake here. One moment, what I'll do. This is not there actually. This is not available. It's not correct. Because when you fold, that will not be visible. A mistake they mention here. Fine. Okay, consider there is no shape here. Okay. Now, if you again fold it, see this dot is required badly here. Now, if you unfold, my dear friends, first that dot here and here. Okay, here and here you have dot. Then again, if you open here and here, you have to get dot. It's second one actually. But its second one is correct. Whereas here, very important. This question, a lot of people they'll do mistake. So this one, this one, this one, this one, okay. But when you fold this line, actually it will come only up to this part. When you fold this line, okay, this shape, this is actually the scenario. When you unfold, what will happen? This one, this one, this one, this one, okay. When you unfold, this will come to this place, this will come to this place. This way, one if you open will come to this place. This one if you open, it will come to this side. You just see that? Yes. When you unfold, you will get this. It's perfectly option 2. Okay. When you go for the sixth question, my dear friends, see, you have spotting out embedded figure concept. You can utilize that from here onwards to, okay, instead of wasting the time. Simple things we can do directly. See, this one also we can find, no problem. When you unfold, what will happen is this one here, this one here, this one here, and same thing will occur in this one also. This one, this one, this one will come. Okay, and this will join actually, as these two lines are very closer, it should join here. Somehow here, this will join. Okay, like this we have to get. Again, if you extend, it will be like this, all. But what I suggest you to go for spotting out embedded figure. In the sense, this shape is there in which option? This one is there only in one option. That's it. That's not available in remaining options. Badly we require that shape. When you unfold remaining also, this original one definitely required, right? That shape is there only in this third one. That's it. No need to waste the energy. You just try to solve. Okay, this question you just ignore. I think the small diagram there is a mistake. You can ignore this. Small mistake is there in the diagram alignment. Some small things will also differ the answer. This should be bit down. Okay, you just ignore it. See the seventh one, spotting out embedded figure. Use spotting out embedded figure. This one required. Where it is there in the options. If you see this top corner, No, this is bent, then this is no, not correct. If you see this, not correct, not available. If you see this, no. Whereas here, yeah, rectangular part, this circular part, we can say option C is correct. Got it. So C option is perfectly suitable compared to remaining option. Spotting out embedded figure. If you want to just unfold all those, it will definitely take time. Whereas here also you just see similar to the previous one, slight variation. You just see this, no, this one, no, this one also no. This one is perfectly suitable. The diagram should be there in the options. Very simply spotting out embedded figure concept. Similarly, if you just go ahead, I think you can find its option B here, practice. This one, if you just go ahead, I think you can find this one because you can check it out, right? So guys, this is what regarding the paper cutting and paper folding. Fine. Let's see about grouping of identical figures. We have 13 subtopics actually. Let's see about next one. Grouping of identical figures. Visual reasoning related discussion. Grouping of figures. Identical figures. Yes. So with respect to shape, orientation, or number of elements and other such characteristics, we have to group. It's a bit similar to odd one out concept, but here we should find, okay, which one is having that, okay, all number of elements same, so that all we have to group into one. That groups we have to identify. We are separating into groups. All diagrams what are they given, we should separate into groups. We just see that, my dear friends, now they'll give you, okay, plenty of diagrams. You should divide into groups, depends on shape or orientation or number of elements. Now here if you just observe, they given 9 diagrams. This is 3 lines or 3 sides. 3 lines are 3 sides. 3 lines are 3 sides. We can group 169 at one go. I think that's there only in one option. What about 2? Okay, 5 as well as 8. If you observe, this is having 5 lines. Yeah, 5 lines is there. Or 5 sides are there. 3 lines or 3 sides, whereas this 258 is 5 lines or 5 sides, whereas if you observe 347, it's actually 4 sides or 4 lines. Yes, depends on number of lines, number of elements or shape, or number of sides you are dividing into this group. Got it? Hope you understand. Okay. See the next one. Second one. Okay, here also if you observe, 1 required 3 lines, 3 required 3 lines, 4, this all required 3 lines actually. You just have a look. Yeah, and 6, 7, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 require 5 lines, 9 require 5 lines. This all require 5 lines. What are left is 6, 7, 8 require 4 lines actually. So option A is correct. 1, 3, 4, 2, 5, 9, 6, 7, 8. Whereas if you observe this third question, yes, just check it out for the third one, my dear friends. Yeah, some of you may think that sir, all circles, all triangles, 1, 3, 5, all sorry, yeah, 1, 3, 5, all circles 379. All squares 268, one group. Okay, people may think about that, but that group is not there here among options. Then if you just see this dot in 1, 2517 is one group. Same shape in the bottom, 138, same shape in the bottom. Whereas 469, same shape in the middle. Okay, this group also we can consider. That's option D now. Is it? Very good, my dear friends. Option D is correct. So this next one, pause the video, check. Okay, try from your end. Okay, then see the key later. 235 with one dot, 189 with two dots, remaining 4, 6, and 7 with three dots. Got it? If you just observe, yes, 189, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, it's available in option B. One dot, two dots, and three dots. Right? Good. So this fifth question. Yeah, so this fifth question, my dear friends. If you observe, 2, 5, and 8 are similar, 1, 4, and 6 are similar, 3, 7, and 9 are similar, 3, 7, 9, 1, 4, and 6, and in fact 2, 5, and 8 is similar things. All these are bit similar. So just observe that, yes, we can say option B is correct. Option B is correct, my dear friends. We just have a look. Yeah, perfect. See the next one. What about this question? So that's if you just try to find the identical figures grouping 1, 4, and 8. 4 sides, 3, 5, and 7. 6 lines are there. 6 lines. Whereas 2, 6, and 9 is having circle. Yes, this is circle is there actually. That cone shape, and here there is a circle actually. So we can group 2, 6, 9, 1, 4, 8, 3, 5, 7. Yes. Among options, best suitable is option C. Whereas this one is for your practice, I think you can do that easily. One clue I'll give, like, okay, for your understanding, 4, 8, 9 is two equal parts. Just to give you one clue, 4, 8, 9 is two equal parts. I think no need of practicing. Now here we have to see vertical, not vertical, horizontal way, that logic we have to check. In fact, this is not for practice. We've given you the key as well. So, two equal parts. Remaining you can map. Yeah, what about 1, 5, and 7 is all those are rhombus. Okay, this 4, 8, 9 are equal parts, two equal parts. This is for your practice, yes. I don't discuss this, you practice this. What about this one? I hope you are already done with 8. Yeah, now if you just check it out, this one, my dear friends, I think we can say 1, 6, 9 are similar, right? 1, 6, 9 are similar, and this 2, 4, 7 is having dots in the center, right? Then if you just observe that, yes, 2, 4, and 7 have dots in the center, and this 3, 5, 8 are similar. You just see the group. Okay, we can find option A is suitable. Option A is suitable. Got it? Perfect. So with this, we are done with grouping of identical figures as well. So if you just recall, till now series completed. Okay, just I am recalling what is done already. Spotting out embedded figure is it? Spotting out embedded figure completed. Pattern completion. Okay. Then we are done with classification or odd one out. Odd one out. Mirror image, water image. Analogy concept. Okay. Then after that analogy concept, we're already done with paper folding, paper cutting. Paper folding done, paper cutting done. Now grouping of identical figures. We can say already 8 and 9. 9 done. So we'll see about remaining now. So let's go ahead with the next topic, subtopic, my dear friends. Figure formation or assembling. Figure formation or assembling. Okay. Here they may give, see, two types of questions are possible. They'll give one shape. Okay, one shape is given. Which figures are required? Which figures combination required? You have to identify which figures combination required. Combination required. Okay. Or they'll give different figures. Okay, joining which shape will come. Different figures are given. If you combine, we'll get which shape. These are the different questions, two different questions we can find. Which shape will be obtained if these different figures, if you combine? Okay, that's one thing. Or else the shape, this reverse is this. Shape is given, which figures combination required to get this shape? Okay, that's the two different type of questions. Let's see the first one, my dear friends. Yeah, here shape is already given. Which elements is required? Shape is already given. You should identify which elements is required. Now, if you just observe that here, yeah, we need two circles, okay, and two bend lines. Fine, it's like horizontal or vertical, two bend lines are required. That's fine. Okay, and two equal lines. This is two equal lines actually. Two equal lines. Now here, this is exactly available in option C. Here, this is some extra. Perfectly option C is suitable, my dear friends. Remaining we can eliminate. Got it? See this next question, my dear friends. Here, yeah, what are the elements we require to form this? Which option will decide this? Yes, we need circle. Circle can be split into two like this. The joining will give circle for us. That's not a problem. Okay. Very importantly, if you observe, yes, two lines, one and two. This two lines, two small lines, two big lines, and the sides, four sides are there. So we should go ahead like this. You just observe all this, we can find it's nothing but option C, my dear friends. You check once. You check once, we have to get option C is the correct option, right? Okay, that's perfectly suitable. Whereas third one, see, this is what you have to form the figure using these different elements. What we will do, consider this is A, B, C and D. Which option is having this? I'm just marking it like A, B, C, D. In which option this A, B, C, D is available? This one wrong. This shape is not there. This shape is not available. With that bend is not available. Okay, where we can insert. These two shapes are not correct. I think we can go with third option. This is A and this one is B shape. This is D. You can rotate also, guys. You can rotate that. What are the diagram they're given? You can rotate it and you can utilize. Okay, fine. It's third one correct actually. Third one is correct. See the next question. Similarly, observe here what you can do. Is consider this is ABC. Which one suitable? The square is not at all there with us. Okay, that square is not available. This shape is not available with us. I hope remaining all eliminated. Here A is there. Here B. Here it is C. Perfectly first one right. It's very simple question. You can identify easily. If you go ahead with fourth one, again name it like A, B, C and D, where it will fit. Okay, you check. This one not at all possible. Here, yeah, I think it seems like B shape here, C shape here, A here, and this one D. No, this is D, here it is A. This is D, here it is A. Yes, fine, that's cool. Whereas remaining is not correct. You just check it out. Yeah, second one is perfectly suitable. Size also important. This size and okay, shape all those you have to insert. We can say second one is perfectly suitable, right? Whereas if you see the fifth question, guys, if you check it out with the fifth one, which is correct here, if you just identify again as we mentioned A, B, C, D. Name like A, B, C, D. Okay, this shape is not at all available with us. First one is not available. This shape is not available with us. This is not there. Not available with us. This one is also not available. I think we can say this is A and D, a D and A, whatever it may be. This is C, this is B. Perfectly, second one is suitable, right? Check once. Okay, fine. See the next question, sixth one. A, B, C, this dot is okay. Remaining A, B, C, fine. Dot is okay, fine. Is there? See the next one. This square you can't form with that. This small triangle is not available with us. And here we can say this is C, this is A. Okay. So, but among these two, regarding the size, size constraint, third one correct actually, because people may think about a fourth one as well. So this is A, this is C. You can rotate, right? You can rotate and you can put it here C. But this one shape is smaller compared to that one. Problem is this shape is small compared to this one. Size also important for us when you have two similar shapes. Otherwise, we can go with option 4 itself. Size is a bit smaller. You can rotate actually and you can fit. Seventh one, very easy. This is for your practice. Okay. So guys, with this, we are done with figure formation or figure assembling as well. Let's move for the next one. Okay, there are plenty of subtopics we are discussing in this visual reasoning, which is important for all competitive exams. You name it, okay, it's like placements or maybe SSCJ exam or GATE or IS, it's useful for you, right? Next one is figure matrix. In figure matrix, what you have to do, see, you have to, they'll give 3 by 3 matrix. In general, they'll give 3 by 3 matrix. Here, the logic may be in vertical mode, like inserting missing character. The logic may be in vertical mode or logic may be in horizontal mode. So we should find the logic. It may be vertically you observe the elements, or horizontally you observe the elements, or vertical observe elements. You can identify some logic. Okay, that first to see they'll give 2 rows or 2 columns full. With the 2 rows and 2 full columns, you should observe definitely 2 full columns, 2 full rows are available. You have to identify the logic from those two, and you have to apply for the other row or other column. Okay. Now you just see the first question, second and third one. Yeah, guys, if you just see here in row wise, horizontal, if you see A, B, and C is there. B is nothing but A plus C. You observe A and C adding B you got. Yes, this is triangle, this line and one circle. Adding we got B. If you apply the same thing here, already this square and this line is there, except extra one is that into mark required. That's there in fourth option. That's it. Okay. B should be equal to A into C. Now again, if you observe in horizontal, okay, in second diagram, into mark is replaced in third diagram with this. A, B, C. In B diagram, that into mark is replaced with circles. So now same shape required in A, that into mark is replaced with the circle at the 4 corners. It's perfectly second option. Okay, A, whatever shape is the same shape will come, okay, but that into mark should be replaced. Fine. Whereas here, if you observe vertical mode, vertically, if consider A, B, C, C is nothing but A intersection B, means common among A and B only they map, which is common. It's not A union B intersection. So this one common, this one common, this one common. That's why answer is that common part, which is common in both. Here the common part is this, common part is this. We'll get that common part along with the dot. Dot is available in everywhere. So I hope you can understand from this. Got it. Excellent, my dear friends. See the next one. Hope you understand this. See this 4, 5, and 6. This is 3 lines, 2 lines, and 1 line decreasing. This is 2, 3, 4 increasing. So if you just move, okay, horizontally, its count is increasing or decreasing. Now here we need to add some shape. Already one shape is added. Same thing must and should required. Apart from that, if you want to add, okay, that must and should be required. Okay, that's not there in any of these options. And you can add some extra. Okay, so that's what this extra is added. Okay, as per this 2, 3, 4 means increase, or 3 to 1 means decrease. You have to remove means remove. Okay, next also you have to remove. Here added, already one element is added, one shape is added, you have to add one more. If you're adding one element, you have to add. If you want to remove, you have to remove one line. Okay, that's perfectly there in first option, right? Whereas here fifth one, 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. Whereas in next one, 3, 2, 4. 2, 4, we have to get 3 here. That's the first one. 4, 3, 2. 3, 2, 4, we have to get 2, 4, 3. Here, this is A, B, C. C is nothing but A intersection B. C is nothing but equal to A intersection B. Among A and B, whatever common is there, that intersection we have to place. Okay. Now I think we can go with option 3, right? That intersection part only. We have to go common thing among. This is horizontally we have to move. We go in a horizontal mode. Whatever intersection is there, that we have to do. Okay, it's option third one, right? Hope you understand this figure matrix, vertical mode or horizontal mode. We just need to. So this seventh one now, 8 and 9. If you just observe this 7, 8 and 9, see the shape, triangle, circle and square. Now we need square here. Next, it may be this shape or it may be this shape or it may be this shape. So already these two are available, we can put like this. Fine, that